안녕하세요. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to study Korean today? Before we begin learning the Korean alphabet, let's first understand what Hangul and Hangugeo are. Let me explain briefly. The Hangulgo, Korean language, is spoken by the Korean people, while Hangul is the writing system used to represent the language in written form. Similarly, English is the spoken language used in the United States and UK and many other countries, while the alphabet and romanization is the writing system used for written English, including Spanish and Portuguese and etc. Before King Sejong created Hangul, our ancestors spoke in Korea but didn't have the writing system to represent it. Instead, they used Chinese character, which made it difficult for ordinary people to write in their own language. King Sejong created Hangul to solve this problem. In the preface to the Hungminjeongeum, he wrote, "Our language is different from Chinese and cannot be expressed by Chinese character. The people are thereby barred from communicating their thought, and hence there are many who, though anxious to express themselves, are unable to do so." Hangul was first published on October 9, 1443, a day which became known as Hangul Day. So he created 28 letters to represent the sounds of the Korean language. Today, Hangul is used as a writing system for the Korean language, with 24 basic letters, 14 consonants and 10 vowels, and 5 double consonants and 11 compound vowels, for a total of 40 letters. If you come across a video or movie that claim that Hangul was not solely created by King Sejong, or that he had help from a group of scholars by order of the king or a monk, these claims are not true. Hungminjeongeum was made by King Sejong alone. What is special about Hangul? Hangul is an easy-to-learn character, despite Korean being considered a difficult language to learn. The number of characters is small compared to other languages, with 14 consonants and 10 vowels. In addition, the shapes are simple, making it easy for beginners to learn. The scientific nature of Hangul is due to its reflection of the oral structure. When a person makes a sound, the position of the tongue in the mouth, the shape of the lips, the palates, the oral structure, and the pharynx are all analyzed. This allows the Hangul to record the sound of the speech by combining characters. In Hangul, the sounds of the characters match. For example, if it is written as a, it is read as a, unlike in English or Japanese, where the sounds of a character can differ depending on the word.